welcome to MLCA. Today, we're going down this slide because it's snowing outside. So let's go.
I'm scared. I'm always scared.
Oh, we fell right down this thing. We're all covered up. Look at the ice skating rink over here. I can ice skate on this ice skating rink. There's another pile over here, snow, that I can make a slide out of. Right there. I have to take my gloves off because I can't use the phone that my gloves on. That's why I'm freezing. Woo! Superman! Ah! That was funny. Okay. Our car was literally covered up, and now it's gone. As you can see, I'm in the driveway. So, I'm gonna go ice skating on my ice skating rink. Whee! Whee! That was fun. I'm skating. Walk, conk. What are you doing? Oh, looks like little Misty's going. I'm gonna jump into this pile of snow. 3, 2, 1. Ah! I'm sitting on a headrest. Right on this. Oh, you're gonna slide down. Okay, let's see this.
Okay, here I go.
Okay,
I'm gonna try again.
Oh, okay. We're gonna go do something else. I'm gonna do this again, but this time without Natalia sitting on my back.
Okay,
I'm gonna go. Natalia, I'm going on this without you sitting on my back. So, Natalia, no, I said I'm going. Okay. Let's do this. Three. We went the wrong way instead of going down there. I fell down the stairs. Oh. That was very interesting. Here you go. Bye-bye. I'm climbing up the Mount Everest. Snowing high in the sky. Nothing to do. Walking around. We're gonna watch one more time to try to do this, and that might be the end of today's video.
Hold it for me.
Hold what?
That thing.
Okay.
I'm kind of scared if I do this.
You already did it. Why are you so scared?
I'm not going with this thing. I'm going with this.
Okay. I'll go one more time with this.
I'm going to feel bad.
Trying to stop, wait. Now we're going the right way. Oh. We're like all the way down. Okay, guys, that will be the end of today. Okay, my foot. Okay, guys, that will be the end of today's video. I'll see you next time.